Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, has a reputation for his simple yet profound financial wisdom. By addressing common financial pitfalls, we can make more informed decisions. According to Buffett, the best investment is in oneself. Enhancing skills and education boosts earning potential. Credit cards can be convenient, but high interest rates can quickly overshadow benefits if not paid in full. Spending on social activities like drinking at bars can add up. Opt for affordable gatherings like home get-togethers. New gadgets may be tempting, but last year's model often serves just as well. Buffett leans towards simplicity in his wardrobe. Choosing classic, durable clothes over flashy brands saves money. Cars depreciate rapidly. Buffett recommends buying pre-owned cars and holding on to them as long as they're reliable. Subscription services can become a financial drain. Review and cancel those that don't provide value. Smoking is a costly habit. Quitting can significantly boost your personal budget. By being mindful of these common money pitfalls, we can better manage our finances, paving the way for long-term wealth and success.